Well, I'm here at the Apantac stand here at IBC 2018, one of 3 videos that we're doing here, so don't forget to check out the other 2, all with this man, Mr. Thomas Tang. Hi, Thomas.
How are you doing?
Very well. First of all, congratulations, 10 years, I understand.
Yes, it is. It's our 10-year anniversary. It's our 10th IBC here.
Wow. Amazing. Time flies, and you've got new products all the time, and we're looking at one here. Tell us a bit about this.
Yes, this is our 64 by 16 Multiviewer. So that means it has 16 outputs. Wow. And so in a single frame, we could have up to 16 outputs. I'm going to push a button real quick here to show you all 16 outputs.
Right. Okay.
So here you can see, we actually put that into a 16 input multiviewer, so you can show it all. So you can see all 16. And really, one of the most important things you see here is that windows could be different sizes, as many different sizes as you want. And it could be copied and pasted as many times as you want.
It's amazing. So you can effectively have 16 totally different configured multi-views any way you want.
That's correct. That's correct. So we can now look at, if we want to just see output 1, and here's output 1. Brilliant. If you wanted to see output 2, here's output 2, and so on. You go up to see every one of them. Fantastic. Yeah, they're all laid out completely different.
And it's always been one of the advantages with your kit is the flexibility you've got with the layout and the information you can put on the system.
That's right, yes.
So obviously it's new. When can we expect to see this around?
You can order it now if you like.
Brilliant. As always, fantastic news here from you guys here at Apantac. If people want to come and find you, they can here at IBC. If they weren't able to get here, they want to find out more information, what's the website?
www.apantac.com.
There you go, Thomas. Thank you very much. Well, there you go. 3 exciting videos here from Apantac at IBC 2018. You want to find out more? Go and have a look at their website. For even more from us at IBC 2018, you'll find that on our website, kitplus.com.